Jirtu.
Same place, different people. Just when is it time to leave everything behind? Cinders rain in the sky, an escape scene that could have been conjured by Hollywood.
Ongambu umamni Irratti Karangalana jalli yo aware Halaltu danu sodanne masagabunjira Kasagal tinda barsuni lokse kaera Agajirata 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 Agajirata
People's homes. It seems like I guess you're gonna step away because this is getting quite out of hand here. Kathy, this is what we've seen. Both sides of the streets. The fire is crossing over highways, it's crossing over streets, engulfing everything along the way. And the unfairness of it all is that somehow this seems to be just fine, and some have a fate like this one. What you see.
Lafaa baname namoota waamu
The crackling and the explosion
Nutu hin barbaanne guyyoota yartuu milkoomu Lafaa baname namoota waamu
They were looking for their dogs, they're trying to get
Nutu
into
hin
their homes.
barbaanne guyyoota yartuu duroomu
But authorities at this point, as the fire has exploded to
Wambane beekna
10,000 stations overnight. And they're saying, look, it's not worth it. We've already
Wambane beekna
already got this fire. It's not worth it. So safety, don't try to save your property. Don't be a hero. But we have seen so many people helping each other, Kathy. We spoke to people who came back to their homes and saw volunteers dousing them in water from their own hoses, trying to save it if possible. Look, it is undescribable. The smell of smoke, you can smell the toxic particles in the air. You can see this orange sun. It feels like we are in an inferno, Kathy.
Well, Julia, I must let you and your team get to safety. But Julia Vargas-Jones, thank you very much for joining us. Thank you.